Kids 101!
Hey kids, it's Kids 101 Crew, and today we're going to be learning how to make some cake mix cookies. They're pretty yummy. This recipe was given to me by Azul, the blood god, and now I dream in black and white. The first thing you will need is a box of yellow cake mix. I'm using Brian brand cake mix, but you can use any one you want. Any will work. Next, you will need 2 eggs. I'm using Yoshi eggs, but normal chicken eggs will work just fine. After that, you'll need a ½ cup of vegetable oil. Then you will need a teaspoon of baking powder. And lastly, a cup of chocolate chips or any goodies you want to throw in there. Bees, M&Ms, thumbtacks, anything. Alright, now that you know your ingredients, let's get into the directions. The first thing you gotta do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, get your yellow cake mix and teaspoon of baking powder and put them into a medium bowl. Then you gotta mix them together, just for a little bit, not for too long. Toss in your 2 eggs and your ½ cup of vegetable oil. Now you gotta mix them all together, lads. Mixing time, mixing time, mixing time, mixing time, mixing time. Dewey mama, would you look at that? Yellow mixture. Once that mixture is all properly mixed, throw in your cup of chocolate chips. Or whatever you put in there, I don't know. Rise and grind, gamers. Now all we gotta do is put these bad boys on a sheet. A metal sheet. Alright, so I didn't do it here, but as you can see, those cookies are looking a little droopy and not great. To make them not look droopy and gross, put the mixture in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes and you'll have a way better time. I have like a solid 30 minutes of footage of me just struggling with this cookie batter. Don't goof it like I did. Once you're finished putting those bad boys on there, heat them in the oven for 8 to 11 minutes, depending on whether you like them crispy or more squishy. And would you look at that, you're all done. I think they taste pretty good, but you don't have to take my word for it. Listen to that.
Now, the cookies are really good. It has that nice texture where it's chewy and chewy. But one thing I didn't like about it is that I'm starting to grow a 3rd pair of ears, which is weird because I don't even have a 2nd pair of ears.
You know, they're really good, except for the fact that I can't really get over the fact that they're constantly screaming.
See, these cookies are pretty delicious, except whenever I try and eat them, I just feel little knives in my throat.
I really love the cookies though, because the chocolate chips were just really good, but the rat poison, maybe just a little too hot.
These were my favorite cookies, other than the fact that it took my kidney away, but you know, I'm kind of into it.
Yeah, I see this as an absolute success. If you like these cookies, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video where we made some delicious cookies. Did you make them? I mean, I did. Look at these cookies, but did you make them? Let me know. Or don't. I don't know, man. I'm not your mom. Subscribe like you've heard, and we will see you next time. Goodbye!